Spiritual Center presents, Never Fight for Someone's Attention, Do This Instead. Today, we have an important and enlightening topic that delves into the complexities of seeking someone's attention. Get ready to explore a different approach that can empower you in your relationships. Let's dive deep into it. Have you ever found yourself caught in a never-ending battle for someone's attention? It can be emotionally exhausting, frustrating, and ultimately detrimental to your well-being. But what if there was a better way to navigate these situations? Today, we'll discuss an alternative approach that encourages self-empowerment and healthier connections. Point 1. Focus on self-worth. Instead of constantly fighting for someone's attention, shift your focus to building your own self-worth and self-confidence. When you recognize and appreciate your own value, you become less dependent on external validation. You begin to prioritize your own needs and well-being, leading to healthier relationship dynamics. Point 2. Cultivate your passions and interests. Instead of desperately seeking someone's attention, invest your time and energy in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By pursuing your own passions, you become a more interesting and fulfilled individual. This authenticity attracts others who appreciate your genuine self, and you'll find that genuine connections naturally form. Point 3. Prioritize your own well-being. Instead of sacrificing your emotional and mental well-being in the pursuit of someone's attention, make your self-care a priority. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential. When you prioritize your own well-being, you set the standard for how others should treat you. This promotes healthier and more balanced relationships. Point 4. Communicate openly and honestly. Instead of resorting to manipulative tactics to gain someone's attention, practice open and honest communication. Express your needs, desires, and concerns openly and respectfully. Healthy relationships thrive on trust, understanding, and open dialogue. Clear communication fosters mutual respect and deeper connections. Point 5. Surround yourself with supportive people. Instead of fighting for someone's attention, surround yourself with individuals who genuinely value and appreciate you. Having a strong support system boosts your self-esteem and provides a sense of belonging. These positive connections uplift you, encourage healthy interactions, and remind you of your inherent worth. Point 6. Practice self-love and self-compassion. Instead of seeking validation from others, learn to love and accept yourself unconditionally. When you cultivate self-love and self-compassion, you become more resilient and less affected by external opinions. You become your own source of validation, leading to healthier relationships based on mutual respect and appreciation. Point 7. Set boundaries. Instead of compromising your own needs and values for someone's attention, establish healthy boundaries. Boundaries protect your well-being and preserve your self-respect. They communicate what is acceptable and what is not in your relationships. By setting boundaries, you empower yourself and ensure that your needs and values are honored. Point 8. Focus on personal growth. Instead of fixating on someone's attention, prioritize your personal growth and development. Investing in your personal growth not only enhances your knowledge and skills but also increases your confidence and self-assurance. As you grow, you naturally attract people who appreciate and admire your journey. Point 9. Practice empathy and understanding. Instead of fighting for attention, cultivate empathy and seek to understand others. When you approach relationships with empathy, you foster a deeper connection and create a safe space for open and meaningful conversations. Understanding others' perspectives helps build stronger bonds and cultivates mutual respect. Point 10. Focus on building a fulfilling life. Instead of fixating solely on someone's attention, channel your energy into creating a fulfilling life for yourself. When you build a life that brings you joy and satisfaction, you radiate positive energy and become naturally attractive to others. Your focus shifts from seeking external validation to finding fulfillment within yourself. Transition to the conclusion. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. And share in the comments if you have any personal experiences or additional principles that have helped you in seeking attention in healthier ways.